Today, I want to try something different. I know y'all probably think I'm a mac and cheese chef or some shit like that, but one of our favorite Thai food restaurants called Lotus of Siam in Las Vegas, they do a Thai shrimp ceviche. Every time we go there, we have to have this dish, and it's real good. Two ingredients that stick out the most for me is the Thai basil and the lemongrass. But overall, the shit is fire. Have you ever had Thai style ceviche? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, of course, we're gonna start with our shrimp. We're just gonna peel, devein them, and cut them down almost like minced. Not too minced though. When I make any type of ceviche, and matter of fact, let me just let you know how important certain raw foods are to me. If I go out to eat, if you don't have a raw bar or some type of raw items, I'm leaving. But we love ceviche. The way I make ceviche, I cut it in half like that. I'm gonna show you again. And I just cut it down like that. Just like that. Doing it this way, I like my shrimp to be a little bit thinner. Like I told you, I only use black tiger shrimp. It's real meaty. So when I'm making a ceviche, I cut my shrimp in half just so that I can make sure the lime juice is getting through there to cook our shrimp. Now, we're gonna make the base of the dish, which is lime, garlic, sugar, sesame oil, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Real simple, real easy. Now let's squeeze our limes. Now that we have our lime juice, squeezed about 4 limes, I'm gonna add a little garlic. I'm gonna add our sugar, soy sauce, fish sauce, a little bit of sesame oil. Give that a taste. Perfect. Now, just gonna add my shrimp in there. All right, now that we have our ceviche cooking in the lime juice, the shrimp, we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about 5-10 minutes while I get my herbs and fry my wonton shells, then we'll be ready to eat. So next, we're gonna fry our wonton wraps. I know you thought we was using corn tortillas. No, we're using wonton wraps. You can fry them whole like that. I like to cut them in little triangles. Just throw them in there. They're gonna fry pretty quick. Now the first thing we're gonna add to our ceviche, we have all our herbs. We got a shallot. Add that in there. Have a red pepper. All right, now we have some Thai chilies. Next, we're gonna add some lemongrass. Now we have our fresh mint. No need to chop it up, just drop the leaves in there. Want to make it like a salad. Then we have our Thai basil, the most important ingredient in this dish. Now we have some fresh cilantro. Just give it a rough tear. And we're gonna add some curly green onion. Stir that up. Now we're ready to eat. I'm gonna lay a little lettuce down. All right, everybody. Now, this is our favorite dish.
This is his favorite.
We're gonna see this. Not what you the one that for real.
This is your favorite.
She lying on camera. So
this is his favorite.
So
dish
every
now.
time we go, who orders?
I like yours. I don't like theirs no more. He made it.
It was. Her
He made it
dish.
better, and I don't like theirs no more. They don't
break. Watch.
When I put it in my mouth.
Oh, well, however, if you put it on top.
Shit, I should have got a spoon. Sorry, guys.
You want a spoon?
I just don't want it to break. The best ingredient in this dish is, wait, let me see if I remember.
Cilantro, lemongrass, Thai basil.
Yeah.
It's fire. Everybody, I wish I could fuck with it, but I'm fasting today.
Ain't that a bitch?
I'm fasting.
But when I was fasting.
What?
Oh, no, you didn't shoot.
Yeah, exactly.
I fasted.
I want something bad.
I fasted yesterday.
Till about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
So back to what I was saying. I don't like the way, don't get me wrong, Lotus is still good. I just had a batch that they didn't put enough lime or whatever on it.
Let me get some. Fuck that.
You sure?
Nah.
You got 2 more hours.
I'm trying to discipline myself.
He got 2 more hours, y'all. He did a juice fast today. He did so good.
Thank you.
But yesterday when I was juicing, he made Papa and them cheeseburgers and shit, and he had a big old, what was it?
The seafood deli meat, BLT.
Yeah, so.
That's different. That was content.
It don't matter though. I was still upstairs smelling cheeseburgers. I thought he was down here making spaghetti. That's how you know I was hungry, because I couldn't figure out what he was cooking. So next month we need to make sure we're fasting together.
Yeah.
So.
Fuck.
But this is delicious.
Hey, but like I was saying though, have you ever had this ceviche? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.